In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily bookmark a website in Safari web browser on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari. Then go to some web page, and if we would like to bookmark it, all we have to do is just tap right here at Share. Then scroll down a bit, and that's where we can easily find Add Bookmark. If we tap on it, we'll be able to enter a name for that bookmark, and also we can choose a location. We can save that website directly to bookmarks to its main folder, or we can select another folder. Let's say we can save it to favorites, or in here we can create new folder and then save that website in here. To continue, just tap at Save. After that, to find that bookmark, we need to tap right here at that icon, then select Bookmarks tab, and then in that simple way we can easily find the bookmark. If we tap on it, we'll be taken to that website. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.